So guys, as far as I can see is marami na namang hinog yung ating strawberry. Ayan. So kumuha pa kami ng marami pa ito. Oh guys, look at this. Wow. Tingnan nyo. Oh my goodness, somebody already ate. Oh, I guess that's just how it is. So some of them parang damaged from the heat. Ayan. Alam niyo guys, napakalambot nito. Super juicy yung strawberry. Tapos, over here on the other side is wala pa. Yung iba para siyang nalalanta. Ayan. Ang ganda talaga ng kulay ng flower niya. Super duper ganda. And over there on the other side is may mga bunga na rin yung iba. O may bunga na yung iba. Ayan. Tapos yung iba naman is wala pa. Pero ito nga pala guys yung bago naming passion fruit. Nilagay lang muna namin dyan sa pot. Tapos pag medyo kaya nang i-handle yung ilalagay na namin siya sa ground. Ayan. Kasi alam niyo guys, nakakamiss talaga yung passion fruit. Kasi ang dami talaga pag namunga. Madami. Nag-start na siyang spread ng more vines. Tapos, ito guys, oh, super healthy ito. Beautiful flowers, of course. Tapos, ito rin, may mga flowers na din yung ating sili. Ayan. That's the cayenne pepper, I think. Tapos, yung ating blueberry is... We only have one blueberry?
Yeah.
Oh, we have two over there.
You spread them for some reason. I don't know why.
Oh, look at this. Oh, you see that guys? Ang daming blueberries. Ayan. So from here, of course, I'll go here. Oh, diba? Pantay na siya. Then yung pantay na siya. Then let's do the other one. Ayan. Oh, very nice. Ang ganda talaga.
Ang ganda.
Yes. Ang ganda, but this one is different. Let me eat one of the strawberry. So, ay siya guys, of course, nahugasan na naman to kasi nga, di ba, parang inuunahan na yata ako ng ants. Wow. It's really good. So guys, I already ate two. Pero papakita ko sa inyo guys. Ayan. Ay! Wow. Umulan pa lang dito guys, that's why hindi ko na siya hinugasan kasi nakahangin naman, hindi naman nakasa. Ayan, it's good. Really good. Wow. Yeah, that one is much better than the one that I have, but those two is already so good, so really sweet. And napaka niya, juicy, super juicy. Ito sayang. Ayan, sayang. Wow. Tapos ito din, I know, sayang na din to kasi yan. Ayan, pero guys, napakatamis. Ayan, di ba? Ang sarap pang may tanim kasi mayanihin. Right?